Hello and welcome to today's Morning Report. Charles Perez on Monday 28th, Rich Power Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. We've got a fairly sort of negative open today. The dollar has come under a lot of pressure actually early morning today. After this huge dollar run higher, we've started to see the market falling away. Now that sharp move suggests that a test of that 100.65 support of last week's low is now fairly key, certainly in the near term, and that's come as treasury yields have fallen sharply today. 10 years off, also the 2-year is lower as these strong runs higher just come under a little bit of pressure, but that dollar correction is significantly being shown through in dollar yen and also the euro dollar charts, which I'll talk through in a bit. Also impacting on market sentiment today is the oil price, which had a sharp fall over 4% on Friday, and that decline has continued today. Sort of the meetings in the OPEC the OPEC week are ongoing this week, and you've got a fringe meeting of the OPEC members with non-OPEC countries such as Russia taking place today, and apparently Saudi Arabia have suggested that they're not going to take part in that. So that's put a little bit of pressure on the oil price, and you're going to get a lot of volatility on the oil price, I think, in the coming days. So one to watch there, but certainly the dollar moves are the key factor for today. In terms of what we've got to look forward to, not a great deal on the economic calendar. Pretty much tying up a few loose ends on the economic sentiment indexes. This is the interesting one, Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. Let me show you that. Has been negative since January 2015, so a move above into positive territory would be an interesting event, would be an interesting sign of improvement there. But that's at 3:30 this afternoon. Now you've also got Mario Draghi speaking before the European Parliament Economic Committee today at 3 o'clock, but much beyond that, not a great deal. Now my chart today is the euro yen, and we've seen this euro yen chart improving strongly in the last sort of month and a half, really accelerating higher. Now that red line there, this downtrend, has been in place since the market started falling away. Now that is a huge downtrend, which has been used on several occasions as the base of resistance, so that would be a really important break if that were to be seen. Now this improvement has also sort of taken the euro yen to its highest point since Brexit Day, which is when it hit that 122 area, and look at the importance of that as a pivot line. Old support becomes new resistance. So these are key levels that we're seeing tested at the moment. Now what we've also got is a little bit of a corrective move today, because the yen is stronger than the euro on a marginal basis against the dollar, and that's started to sort of see the euro yen rolling over a touch, not massively, but I'll show you on the hourly chart whereby we've got this uptrend still intact. Which has been running higher. Now also you've got this 89-hour moving average, which has been a really good basis of support, this blue line here, and again we're back to that, so you're back into the realms of support really now. So it'll be very interesting to see if the market starts to hold and rally again, because this improvement in the euro yen has been quite strong, and a close above 120 figure would really sort of suggest that this big downtrend is being seriously tested, and that would reopen that 122 high of that Brexit Day move. So really important time, I think, for euro yen. I think little corrections are going to be seen as a chance to buy. You've got a nice support band around this old breakout high of 118.45, I believe it is. Not that one, 118.45 on the 21st of July. So that becomes your basis of support. So between 118.45 and 119 is a pretty decent basis of support, and again that was a bit of a reaction low on the 24th as well, 118.45. So there's a decent little sort of band here of support, 118 to 118.45 to 119, that should well hold up, and that I think is a little buying opportunity that we're going to see. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.